When particles first came out of the atom, they were parts of the atom. That's why they were called particles. Particles. Particles! Party party! The particles coming out of the atom, the very first one, they wanted to call it A. They discovered it was coming out of the nucleus, right in the centre of the atom. The nucleus in the centre of the atom was sending out particles A. Now, to make it more interesting, rather than calling it A, they called it alpha. Alpha is the first letter of the Greek alphabet. Alpha. Anyway, so it was the largest one that they discovered first, busting its way out of the nucleus, breaking things apart, causing cancer. Be careful. If you've got a scratch on the skin, alpha can cause cancer. If you're breathing it in, alpha can cause cancer. If you eat it in food, alpha can cause cancer. Just don't go and eat anything radioactive. Like a smoke alarm. Smoke alarms have got Americium in them. Americium was named after America. Hence the spelling. Americium, one of the countries that's got its own atom named after it. Wow! Billions of atoms making an element, one of the elements of the periodic table. Americium spits out alphas from the nucleus. If those alphas don't get across the airspace, the alarm goes off. The thing that would stop the alphas getting across would just be little pieces, little particles of smoke. Particle means something apart, a small thing, part of something else. Subatomic particles means ones smaller than atoms. Sub underneath. Subatomic particles, the first one we knew about was alpha. From A, the Greek alphabet, letter A. The Americium turns into Neptunium. This was when we were naming elements, newly discovered elements, after the planets. There was plutonium, uranium after Uranus, and Neptunium after Neptune. Once they discovered alpha, the next one, 8,000th the size of an alpha particle, was beta. Alpha, beta. Beta's the second letter in the Greek alphabet. In fact, alphabet comes from alpha, beta. The first one discovered was called A, the second one discovered was called B. Alpha and beta, making alphabet. That's where the word alphabet comes from. So, beta is a very fast-moving electron. People go, oh, electrons, they're not that dangerous, you can get electric shock. No, these are going 90% the speed of light. Very fast. Much faster than usual. Because they're coming out of the nucleus. Bing! Really fast. And again, they can cause cancer. They can cause cancer even through skin. So you don't want to put a beta emitting element on your skin, because beta can go through skin. Go through quite a bit of air as well. Anyway, the thing that stop it would be a small plate of iron. So knights in armour are okay. However, the third one discovered, not really a particle, because it's not a lump. It's a ray. Much more dangerous than ultraviolet rays. Much more dangerous than X-rays. I give you the third letter in the Greek alphabet. Alpha, beta, gamma. They all end in A. Gamma radiation. Gamma radiation, very dangerous. Can go through sheets of metal, can go through concrete. That's why you don't really want to live near an atomic weapons facility, or near an atomic bomb, or near even a nuclear power station will be giving out some gamma, although you get most of your gamma from the sun. The discoveries of alpha, beta, and gamma led us to understand what was going on in the nucleus. We discovered that alphas were positive and that two protons, positive protons, two protons, and two neutrons made an alpha particle. Hold on, I've lost neutrons. And there's the neutrons. So the trons are parts of the nucleus. Alpha, beta, and gamma, the ones that end in A, they're the ones that come spitting out of the nucleus. Two protons, two neutrons in any alpha. Big tip, don't eat your smoke detector, because your smoke detector is making Americium when it spits out alpha particles into Neptunium in smoke alarms.